If you're an introvert who's convinced you need to become an influencer, dance on social media, or constantly be on camera to make money online, I've got some good news. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 3 genuine ways introverts are quietly building online income without showing their face. And one of these methods can even help you generate leads and passive affiliate income while you sleep. And before you mention it, yes, I'm Ken's AI twin. Ken figured if AI can do the talking while he enjoys another coffee, why not put me to work? Don't worry though. We both share the same mission, helping introverts build simple affiliate marketing systems without all the tech headaches. And if you'd like the complete step-by-step system, make sure you watch my free affiliate marketing masterclass using the link in the description below. But don't leave early because the third method is the one I believe gives introverts the biggest long-term advantage. Let's dive in. First method is Faceless YouTube powered by AI. Here's something most people completely misunderstand. YouTube doesn't reward people for showing their face. It rewards creators who solve problems. That's a massive opportunity if you're an introvert. Today, AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, create visuals, edit videos, and even generate voiceovers if you don't want to use your own voice. Imagine creating videos about AI tools, productivity, software reviews, hobbies, or solving common problems in your niche. Every video becomes a digital asset. Someone watches it today, someone else watches it 6 months from now, and both can generate leads and affiliate commissions. The biggest myth is that you need thousands of subscribers before earning your first commission. You don't. You simply need helpful content in front of the right people. One helpful video can outperform dozens of videos that are trying too hard to go viral. But YouTube is only half of the equation. Let's talk about what actually makes those views turn into income. Affiliate marketing. Forget everything you've heard about spammy links and pushy sales tactics. Real affiliate marketing is simply recommending products you genuinely believe can help someone. Think about the software or tools you already use. Maybe it's an AI writing tool, an email marketing platform, a website builder, a YouTube tool. If it's helped you, it can probably help someone else. Create a tutorial, compare 2 products, show people how to solve one specific problem. When someone clicks your recommendation and buys through your link, you earn a commission at no extra cost to them. That's it. No customer support, no inventory, no creating your own product. You're simply connecting people with solutions. And here's something many beginners overlook. Affiliate marketing works best when people trust you first. That's why I always recommend leading with value instead of trying to make a quick sale. By the way, if you're wondering how all these pieces fit together without feeling overwhelmed, that's exactly why I created the free affiliate marketing masterclass. It walks you through the complete system step by step, and you can watch it free using the link below. Now, here's the third method, and in my opinion, this is where quiet creators have a real advantage. Build an email list from day one. Most beginners spend years chasing followers. Successful creators build relationships. Social media algorithms change all the time. Your email list doesn't. Offer something valuable, a free guide, a checklist, a masterclass, something that genuinely helps people solve a problem. Every time someone joins your email list, you're building an audience you actually own. You can continue helping them with useful tips, recommendations, tutorials, and affiliate offers without relying on an algorithm deciding whether your content gets seen. And here's what I love about this. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to pretend to be someone you're not. You simply need to be consistently helpful. That's where introverts quietly win. Let's quickly recap. Number 1, use AI to create valuable faceless YouTube content. Number 2, recommend products you genuinely use through affiliate marketing. And number 3, build an email list so you're creating a long-term business instead of chasing views. The biggest takeaway is this. You don't have to become an extrovert to succeed online. You don't have to copy influencers, and you definitely don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You just need a simple system that helps real people solve real problems consistently. If you're ready to build that system, Click the first link in the description and watch my free affiliate marketing masterclass. It'll show you exactly how to use AI, YouTube, and affiliate marketing to generate leads and build monthly passive affiliate income, even if you're starting from scratch. Now that you've learned 3 real ways introverts can make money online without showing their face, the next thing you'll want to learn is how introverts quietly build long-term affiliate success. Click on Affiliate Success for Introverts, Silent Success for Introverts on your screen now, and I'll show you exactly how to turn these ideas into a sustainable online business. I'll see you in the next video.